keto friend, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today I'm in Victoria Center with my big friend Devi. Say something.
Hello. Hi.
So right now I'm going to interview my friend and ask her if she know anything about keto and low carb diets. What do you think that you can eat in the low carb and keto diet?
Well, mostly vegetables and pasta. So I could find the one to make with low carb.
Yeah. In the low carb diet you can also eat cheese and also some fruits. Of course you cannot eat all of the type of fruits, just the low carb fruits. For example, plenty of berries. Actually not plenty, but you know, a small portion. They say that a small portion of berries. And what else? You can have a lot of type of drinks. You shouldn't take sugar in the low carb diet because sugar is very high carb and is very bad for your health. Devi, do you take sugar in your daily life?
Oh no. I stopped sugar about a few months ago, and I drink more lemon water, lemon in my tea, green tea, and I think that's so much better. It makes me feel so much lighter as well. But I drink loads of water.
All right. What about Coca-Cola and fizzy drinks?
Oh no, I don't.
You don't, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Keto diet, you can also drink tea, any type of tea. And milk is not possible in the keto and low carb diet because they are very high in the carbohydrates, so you can drink milk. But you can drink almond milk and also what else? Oat milk, but you have to make sure to read the label so you can see if they contain sugar and the carbs is not too much. And also I usually drink, so I say almonds, oats, also coconut milk and hazelnut milk.
Hazelnut.
Yeah, hazelnut. Yeah, my English is very bad, but anyway, I've got Devi, she can correct me all the time. No, I just want to know if you do any exercise activities at home or, you know, extra activities or gym.
Yeah, I go to the gym, I do loads of swimming.
Oh, that's nice.
And walking, sometimes I walk to work.
Uh-huh.
And my granddaughter keep me busy all the time. I always moving.
Oh, that's nice.
Down, yeah.
That's really nice, you know, because it's very important to always keep ourselves very active. We don't need to stay one place all the time. Our Victoria Center in Nottingham, look here, the place is so amazing. You can find place to sit down and chill out with your friends. I used to love that place.
Yeah.
Really love it. Unfortunately, they don't have any keto-friendly and low-carb-friendly stuff, so I cannot eat. Oh my God! Look here, cookies. I think my brother is going to love it. Look here, happy birthday. Nice. So yeah, I'm here in Victoria Center, still here with Devi, my friend. So Devi, I just want to ask you, how many times do you eat a day?
I eat like twice for the day.
And what do you usually eat?
I eat like mostly vegetables and fish.
Oh, that's nice. You know that is fish and vegetable are keto friendly, so it's good, you know. Why don't you want to try keto and low carb diet?
I would love to. I would love to try.
Oh, that's nice. I'm so happy.
Now that I hear all this from you, I would love to follow it and try it.
That's nice. I'm really happy for that. My friends, now it's time to go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.